Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, Himalayan unboxing. Now in my quest of finding the best buy for buck adventure motorcycle, I have come back to the Himalayans. No, I'm just kidding, I'm in the Netherlands. Bruh. In a warehouse at Motomondo. Yeah. Oh. You guys recognize this one? I took this one for a test ride. Loved it. It's this one, exactly this one. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Royal Enfield Himalayan and see how it actually arrives in a crate. Yeah. I also really had a blast on this thing. So let's get cracking. So it's a lake blue one. Look at that. Tinted windscreen, nice. So we got the tinted windshield, we got the battery, we got the Royal Enfield owner's manual. I think there's like 3 bolts in there, maybe 4. No, there's 4 bolts. And we got the mirrors. And the mirrors actually say objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. That is hilarious.
Damn!
Smells like chicken curry in here. Chicken curry. I love how I made like these easy bow tie tricks or whatever you want to call it. You can just pull it like that. Nice. Also a lovely feature that they actually made like cardboard protection things. Look at that. And even for the dash. Fully functional. This is some detailed engineering right there. Look at that. Nice.
Espiritu Sancti.
What the? Vapor wrap. Products that breathe protection. They eat the moist, so the bikes don't rust at sea. Doesn't smell like curry though. I don't think they have like the Boy Scouts in India, because these knots are very easy to undo. Also a funny thing that I always liked on the Himalayans, that it got 2 front fenders. In case you'd never noticed that, look at that. In case this one doesn't really keep the mud, that one will. If you do not know where the key is, I actually didn't find it, but Hito did. It's over there. So at one point, a lot of these Indian guys are at a meeting table, and they're like, where are we going to put the keys to transport the motorcycle? Let's attach them to the brake lines. What the? Satisfying peels. Now this Royal Enfield is of course ready to go to a new customer. So the dealer is going to start it up, put the original battery in it, and we're also not gonna start the customer's motorcycle and drive it of course, and ride it of course through the warehouse. That wouldn't be fair to the customer. I can't wait in about 2 months for the brand spanking new one, more horsepower, liquid cooled. It's gonna be a nice one. Anyway, thank you once again, Motomondo, for letting me in the warehouse and unboxing the Royal Enfield. Oh, and look at that one. That's for next week. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and drive safe. See ya. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokeytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.